In this video, you will learn how to filter products. Next to where you find your product database name on the bottom, so mine here is called example products, you'll see 3 lines. Click on the lines and it will say either list or folder. Right now all the products are in a list format, but you can choose folder to show them in a folder format. If you click on a subfolder, you will see all the different products in that subfolder. From here, you can click on the plus on the top right corner to add another product or add another folder. I will leave mine as it is. To make sure we can filter products, let's go back to the list layout. Click on the filter icon on the left of the plus icon at the top. This will reveal all the different types for the products. Uncheck and recheck to filter according to your needs. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific product. If you type car, all the products that have that in their name will show up.